So, good morning all, welcome to SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. So, in the last class actually we have discussed on trigonometric equations. I think up to 20 questions we have completed. Still today also we shall continue this chapter. Still our regular viewers need to join, within few minutes they will be joining, I think. So, now today some new viewers also there. So, please subscribe first and like and share to your friends. So, this will be useful because this in this regard, in this situation it will be so useful. We are doing free service itself only. Okay. Good morning everybody, good morning. Gopasri joined, Chandana, next Prasanna, Ravi, Gopasri, Danusha, Sushila, next Lokesh, Gopasri, okay, Madhurima, right, Madhurima, Tabsum, Ketan, Sahini, Sandeep, Vaishnavi, Swati Singh, okay. Right. Next Srikant, Danusha, Bhaskara Naidu, Bhaktavachalam, Prasanna, Ravi, okay, Upendram, Gautami, Ketan. Gautami, today you are I think new, okay. Mohana Vamshi, okay. Shivasri, Anita Srinivas Reddy, Vivek Kumar, Rajita Upendram, Raju, okay. Ritvika Ritu, okay, thank you. Malavika Reddy, right. So, Sanjharani, Vaishnavi, Vinayaki, good morning, Madhuri, okay. Preeti, Ratna Kumari, okay. Ketan, I got it, okay. It may be Tota Krishnamurthy, you are the newcomer, yes, new year, right, first year only. So, okay, right. So, let us start the problems now. We will continue the problems session. Okay, now let us start the problems now. Good morning all, good morning. Okay. So, problem number 21. First problem. Tan A plus tan 2A plus root 3 times tan A tan 2A equals to root 3, then general solution of A by 2, okay. Now, link is given, actually you need to fill that form, okay. First option we have n pi by 3 plus pi by 9 for every n belongs to Z. Second option, n pi plus pi by 9 for every n belongs to Z. Okay. Now third option, n pi by 6 plus pi by 18 for every n belongs to Z. Fourth option, n pi by 3 plus pi by 3, sorry, pi by 4 for every n belongs to Z. So this is the question. First note down all of you. Okay. Sreyana, I got it. Yes, Sreyana. Okay. I think you are from Karminagar. Yes. So now tan A plus tan 2A plus root 3 times tan A tan 2A equal to root 3, then the general solution of A by 2 need to find out. So that means actually here first this is to be put in the form of tan of A plus B form, so that tan of A plus B is equal to, you get root 3, then you need to find out A plus B value, then we need to write the value of general solution of A by 2. So this is the plan. Okay, Janavi. Okay, right. Now the solution. So in order to write like this, take plus root 3 tan 2A this side now. So this we can write tan A plus tan 2A equals to root 3 minus root 3 times tan A tan 2A. So now let us take root 3 common out. We have 1 minus tan A into tan 2A. So now bring 1 minus tan A tan 2A this side. So then we have tan A plus tan 2A upon 1 minus tan A tan 2A equals to root 3. So now the left hand side is seems to be in the form of tan of A plus B, tan of A plus B. So this we can write tan of A plus 2A equal to root 3. This is nothing but tan 3A equal to tan of root 3 is tan 60 degrees pi by 3. That means here principal value is PV is alpha is equal to pi by 3. Now let us write general solution. Here general solution is 3A equal to n pi plus alpha, whose value is n pi by 3. Sorry, 1 minute, wait. Okay. Now this is equal to n pi plus pi by 3, you can write it. But we need to find out A value here. A equals to n pi by 3 plus pi by 9. Okay. But we need to find out A by 2. So therefore A by 2 means multiply both sides with half. So n pi by 6 plus pi by 18, n belongs to Z. So that means third option is the right option. Third option. So check Madhurima once again. Prasanna, right. Gopasri. Okay. Right. Thank you. Now the 22nd question. Solution of tan x plus tan 120 degrees plus x plus tan x minus 120 degrees is equal to 0 is. Thank you. Okay. First option n pi by 3 for every n belongs to z. Second option is n pi by 6 for every n belongs to z. Third option is n pi by 4 for every n belongs to z. Fourth option is n pi by 2 for every n belongs to z. So once again, good morning all. Good morning Kana. Okay, Ashwaradi. Okay, Behra. Good morning all. So now solution of tan x plus tan 120 degrees plus x plus tan x minus 20 degrees equal to x. So now this is nothing but actually formula. So this is the formula. This is 3 tan 3x, this value. So please remember. So that means actually solution we get like this: 3 tan 3x is equal to 0. Now the tan 3x is equal to 0 by 3, 0. So we have one formula, already we had a discussion, but let me repeat once again. Tan theta is equal to 0, that implies to theta is equal to n pi for every n belongs to z. N belongs to z. So that means here directly we can write GS is, general solution is 3x is equal to n pi. So we need to write x value, that is n pi by 3. So for every n belongs to z. So which is the right option now? First option is the right option. Okay. Right. Okay. How it becomes 3 tan 3x? That you need to, already we have studied in multiple and submultiple angles. So you need to remember. Please go through my previous videos in the playlist that will be available, go through it. So otherwise if you simplify, it takes a lot of time in the examination. So that means formulae plays vital role in this problem. (23). Otherwise you need to note down now. Tan p theta equals to cot of q theta, then solutions of theta are in okay. First option arithmetic progression, second option geometric progression, third option harmonic progression, fourth option arithmetic geometric progression. Okay. So, that means today I will update the playlist, don't worry, or it can be updated in the WhatsApp also. Okay. So, now see this question, tan p theta equals to cot q theta, then solutions of theta are in which progression, that we need to find out. So, that means here tan p theta equals to cot q theta. So, let us express cot in terms of tan. So, this can be done tan of pi by 2 minus q theta, we can write it. So, that means here principal value, here p theta principal value is alpha is equal to pi by 2 minus q theta. Now, let us write general solution for tan. For tan, general solution is actually here p theta equals to n pi plus alpha, that equal to n pi plus pi by 2 minus q theta. So, now bring minus q theta this side, p theta plus q theta equals to, we have here n pi plus pi by 2. Now, theta common, we have p plus q is equal to n pi plus pi by 2. Now, theta equals to n pi by p plus q plus pi by 2 into p plus q. Just substitute here, put n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. We find that the values of theta are in arithmetic progression, AP itself only. So, that means first option is the right option. Okay. Already WhatsApp link is given. So, 24th problem, sin x plus cos x, sin x plus cos x is equal to root 2 cos alpha, then x equal to, okay. So, now first one 2n pi minus pi by 4 plus or minus alpha for every n belongs to z. Second option n pi minus pi by 4 plus alpha, okay, for every n belongs to z. Third option 2n pi plus pi by 4 plus or minus alpha for every n belongs to z. Fourth option n pi minus pi by 4 plus or minus alpha. Okay, this is the question now. So, now see the question. See, exam date actually that will be decided today or tomorrow. Okay, sin x plus cos x is equal to root 2 cos alpha, then we need to find out x value. So that means, right, here see, first we need to write this one in the form of, see, cos of a plus or minus b form. You need to write it, either cos of a plus b or cos of a minus b. Okay, so that means now here we can do one thing, they bring root to this side. So this can be written sin x plus cos x by 2 root 2 equals to cos alpha. So why should we write left hand side in terms of cos? Means right hand side is cos alpha is there. In order to equate, okay, we need to write in that one. So this can be written now cos x into 1 by root 2 plus sin x into 1 by root 2 equal to cos alpha. Again this root 2 is equal to, we can write cos 45, 1 by root 2 is equal to cos 45, here 1 by root 2 is equal to sin 45 you can write. This is cos x cos pi by 4, so plus sin x sin pi by 4 equal to cos alpha. So this we can write cos of a minus b formula, cos of x minus pi by 5, already explained you, we need to write this form. So this cos of x minus pi by 4 equal to cos alpha, here alpha will be principal value. Now let us write a general solution. GS is x minus pi by 4 is equal to, since it is a cos, we need to write 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Here alpha is the principal value. Take minus pi by 4 that side. Therefore, x is equal to 2n pi plus pi by 4 plus or minus alpha. So which is the right option we have? Yes, third option is the right. Don't worry, playlist will be updated. Okay, now concentrate on the problems. Twenty-fifth. Sin x sin 60 plus x sin 60 minus x equals to 1 by 8. Then x is equal to, okay, now first option n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n pi by 6, okay, for every n belongs to z. So in the examination that may be given, n pi by 3 plus minus 1 to the power of n pi by 18. Okay, third option we have n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n pi by 3. Fourth option n pi by 3 plus minus 1 to the power of n pi by 9. Okay, this is the question. Yes, Madhurima, let us check it now whether your option correct or not. Sin x into sin 60 degrees plus x sin 60 degrees minus x equals to 1 by 8. Then we need to find out x value. See, this is equal to 1 by 4 sin 3x. This is the formula. you need to remember from multiple and submultiple angles. So that means now directly we can write 1 by 4 times sine 3x equals to 1 by 8. You know what will you get? Am I correct? You will get like this: sine 3x is equal to 4 upon 8, whose value is 1 by 2. So this 1 by 2 equals to, we can write sine 30 degrees, pi by 6. So that means now the principal value becomes, what is the principal value? PV is alpha is equal to pi by 6. Now as we have the sine function, general solution we need to write. Okay, general solution, GS is 3x equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole to the power of n into alpha. So n pi plus minus 1 whole to the power of n into alpha is being replaced by pi by 6, because alpha is equal to pi by 6. But we need to find out x. So multiply both sides with 1 by 3, n pi by 3 plus minus 1 to the power of n into 1 by 3 into pi by 6 means pi by 6 into 3, 18. So which is the right option now? Second option is the right option. Second option. Okay. What happened, Ashwaradi? Okay, Sandeep Neta. Correct, everybody correct. So wonderful, wonderful. Nice, nice. So you are doing good job. Twenty-sixth question. The general solution of sin x to the power of 100 minus cos x to the power of 100 equals to 1 is, this is the question. Already link has been actually forwarded, please join it. Okay. So now the first option, 2n pi plus pi by 6 for every n belongs to z. Now second option, 2n pi plus pi by 4 for every n belongs to z. Third option, wait, options are wrong I have given, please let me check. 2n pi plus pi by 3, this is n pi plus pi by 4. Okay, right. Next one is n pi plus pi by 2 for every n belongs to z. Fourth one, 2n pi minus pi by 3 for every n belongs to z. This is the question. Ashwaradi, option 3. Option 3. Okay, how it is option 3? Ashwaradi, what's the strategy you have followed? Option 3. Option 3. How to join the group? Already is available in the chat box. Okay, second year, no problem. So general solution of sin x to the power of 100 minus cos x to the power of 100 is equal to 1. We need to find out, we need to solve this equation now. So let us write like this now. So while doing only, let us make a plan now. This sin x to the power of 100 is equal to, we can write 1 plus cos x to the power of 100. See, if you observe this, this is left hand side, this is right hand side, this is RHS. If you observe, as cos x to the power of even power is there, this left hand side will be, you will be getting here, for all values of x, LHS will be greater than 1, you will be getting. If LHS is greater than 1, but the sin x to the power of 100 even number always less than 1 only, because the sin value lies in between -1 and 1 itself only. So even sin x to the power of any power also less than 1, it must be less than 1, or it may be equal to 1 also, less than or equal to 1. So that means this cos x to the power of 100 should be equal to 0. That means cos x, in order to solve this equation, cos x to the power of 100 should be equal to 0. That means cos x equal to 0. Now we need to solve this one. Therefore, x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. So brackets of open the brackets, 2n into pi by 2, pi by 2, that means n pi by, wait. Here what happens means, 2n into pi by 2, 2 cancel, 2 gets cancelled, we have n pi plus pi by 2 for every n belongs to z. Which is the right option? Yes, third option is the right option. Absolutely correct, Madhuri. Even sin x to the power of 2020 minus cos x to the power of 2020 is equal to 1. Same answer, don't get confusion. This question may be given like this: sin x to the power of 2020 minus cos x to the power of 2020 equal to 1. So this also option same only, this only option, same option you will get it. Okay, I will explain it. Sin x to the power of 100 becomes 1 plus cos x to the power of 100. So 100 is even number, means cos x to the power of 100 is, you will be getting all even numbers. 1 plus something will be sin, as for the question, according to the question, left hand side will be greater than 1. But as for the range of sin x, the sin x to the power of 100 cannot exceed 1, that always less than or equal to 1 itself only. To get less than or equal to 1, the cos x to the power of 100 must be 0. So that means cos x is equal to 0. Then we get the answer. So if the odd number means we need to do differentiation, that's all. So we don't have this method. So 28. What is the question number? Anybody could help me? 28, 27 or 28? Question number 28 or 27? Okay, I will change the question, don't worry, later. Okay, thank you. 27. The most general value, of theta satisfying the equations sec theta equals to 2 by root 3 and cot theta is equal to 1. First option 2n pi plus pi by 6. Second option 2n pi plus pi by 4. Third option pi. Fourth option pi means null set, that is, or empty set, 2n pi plus pi by 3. Okay, question number 27. Thank you. Option number 3, Lakshmi. Okay, I will check it now. How did you get it? The most general value of theta satisfying the equations sec theta is equal to 2 by 3, cot theta is equal to 1. That means we need to solve these two equations simultaneously, or we can call it as at most general value. At most general value means that will be always in the form of 2n pi plus alpha form itself only, where alpha belongs to 0 comma 2 pi. So, but whenever we have sec theta, change into cos. So, we can write cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2, and next cot theta can be changed tan theta. Tan theta is equal to 1. Here theta equals to, we have in this case root 3 by 2 means pi by 6 cos 30. Here theta is equal to pi by 4. We are getting different solutions, and also theta belongs to the first quadrant. So, that means simultaneously theta is equal to pi by 6, theta is equal to pi by 4 cannot satisfy the both the equations. That means no solution. Therefore, here theta is equal to pi, empty set. So, third option is the right option. So, thank you one and all. Thank you. Madhurima, Prasanna, Lokesh, everybody. I am not able to see. Everybody doing wonderful. Nice. Thank you. So, now the 28th question. Yes, correct. 3. The values of x, satisfying sin 2x plus sin 4x equal to 2 sin 3x are. So, is it visible to you? It's clear? Is it visible to you? It's clear. Just type it in the chat box. No. My voice is audible? Thank you. So, that means you are attentive. So attentive. Thank you. N pi by 3. Second one is 2n pi plus pi by 4. Third option. Thank you one and all. Thank you. No. Why, Naresh? Third option, n pi fourth one is n pi plus pi by 3. What's our problem? Sai Prasad, not audible. What's our problem? Plus, so let me clarify. What's our problem? Please type in the chat box. Let me know your problem. Okay. Already. Okay, not understood. So you are new to the class. Sanjay. Okay. Sir, I am Nagalata. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Again, this will be actually uploaded in the our SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. Even after completion of this session also you can watch it. So even though if you have any doubts, you can actually post in the WhatsApp group. You may be new. First you need to join in the group. Okay, thank you. Values of x satisfying sine 2x plus sine 4x equal to 2 sine 3x. So that means first of all these two are in the form of sine A plus sine B form or sine C plus sine D. I already told you Brahmateja, after completion of the session I will discuss each and every previous questions. Don't worry. This is sine C plus sine D formula. Okay, solution. This we can write sine 4x plus sine 2x equals to 2 sine 3x. As it is sine C plus sine D formula, sine C plus sine D formula. What is sine C plus sine D formula? Sine C plus sine D is equal to 2 sine C plus D by 2 and cos C minus D by 2. Am I correct? So this is the formula we have. So with the help of this formula, now this can be written as 2 sine of 4x plus 2x, 6x by 2, 3x, 4x minus 2x is actually x, that is cos x, equal to 2 sine 3x. Generally what will you do means, you will cancel out the sine 3x. Don't do like that in trigonometric functions. So now bring the 2 sine 3x this side. 2 sine 3x into cos x minus 2 sine 3x equals to 0. So now take out 2 sine 3x common out. If you take 2 sine 3x common out, we have cos x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we get the two cases. The first case is sine 3x is equal to 0. Sine 3x is equal to 0 means the general solution of 3x is equal to n pi. Therefore, x is equal to n pi by 3. It's one of the solutions. For example, if you equate 0, the cos x is equal to 2. Just think of, is possible cos x is equal to 2? Because the cos x lies in between minus 1 and next, okay, that is cos x is equal to 2 means it cannot become 2, it lies between minus 1 and 1. So that's why it is invalid. So x is equal to n pi by 3. So that means first option is the right option. Okay, it's correct. Here wait, correct, absolutely correct. So here 1 should be written actually. Correct. Cos x is equal to 1. This is cos pi by 2. So general solution you can write x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 2. But that option is not there, only one option. So that's why first one is right option. It's correct now. right? Okay. Okay, 29th problem. 3 tan of theta minus 15 degrees equals to tan of theta plus 15. Zero degrees less than theta, theta less than pi. That means theta lies in second. Corrected, Ramakrishna, you check it. Now voice is okay, all of you? Voice okay? Right, thank you. Then theta. First option is pi by 2. Second option pi by 4. Third option is pi by 6. Fourth option pi by 3. So now check the options now. Check the options. Better thing now. See solution. First take left hand side. That is 3 tan of, put this first option, 90 degrees minus 15. This will be 3 tan 75 degrees. RHS, that will be 3 tan of 90 plus 15. So 3 tan 105. These two are not equal. So this is ruled out. Go for second option. So this is the first option is verified. Second option. So 3 tan 45 minus 15 is 30. So that is 3 times 1 by root 3. This will be root 3. Now left hand side, tan of 45 plus 15, tan 60 root 3. So both are equal. So second option is the right option. That's all. Okay, in the RHS we don't have root 3. This is okay, correct now? Right. So now the 30th problem. If cos 20 degrees equals to k and cos x equals to 2k square minus 1. Are you getting now? It's clear? Got it? Wait, you will get it now. Got it now? Okay, thank you. Hello. Okay, thank you. Right. So if cos 20 degrees is equal to k and cos x equals to 2k square minus 1, then the possible values of x between 0 degrees and 360 degrees are, first option is 140 degrees, second option is 40 degrees and 140, third option is 40 degrees 320 degrees, and fourth option is 50 degrees and 130 degrees. This is the question. So, are you getting now? My voice is audible? No? Just cheat now. It has been reconnected now. The previously there was a net problem. Okay, thank you. So, just think about this problem. Just okay. So, now as the k value is equal to cos 20 degrees, cos x is in terms of k value. Instead of this k, let us substitute cos 20 degrees. Then let us see what do we get now. Okay, got it? I checked my connection here. Actually, we have the net problem. So, I think you got it now. Okay, thank you, Naresh. Okay, shall I continue? Okay, thank you. Wait. So, now the 2 cos square theta minus 1 equals to, this is cos 2 theta. Here put theta is equal to 20 degrees. So, if you put theta is equal to 20 degrees, this becomes cos 40 degrees. So, that means principal value is alpha is equal to 40 degrees. Next, it lies in 0 to 360. Now, you can write if you take 5 plus 180 minus 40 is actually that will be negative value you will be getting. Understood now? So, that is why better you take it 360 degrees minus 40, that will be 320 degrees, because 360 minus theta lies in the third quadrant. So, if you take 140 means how do you take 140? 180 minus 40, 180 minus 40 lies in the second quadrant cos is negative. So, that is why option 3, because you see 40 degrees belongs to first quadrant, 320 degrees belongs to fourth quadrant. In these two quadrants, cos theta is positive. Otherwise, you can check here also options. Question number 31. Are you getting now? Wait 1 minute. 31st problem. Okay. If alpha and beta are two different solutions, two different solutions lying between minus pi by 2 and pi by 2, minus pi by 2 and pi by 2 of the equation 2 tan theta plus sec theta is equal to 2. Then tan alpha plus tan beta equals to sir video clarity ga ledu, it will come, it's a net problem due to video buffering. Next I will discuss after completion of this one. So first option is 0, second option is 1, third option is 4 by 3, fourth option is 8 by 3. This is the question. Okay. This is the previous question, just observe it. So all of you tell me it's clear or not now, it's addable or not, it's visible or not. Thank you. Alpha, beta are the two different solutions lying between minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 of the equation 2 tan theta plus sec theta is equal to 2. Then we need to evaluate tan alpha plus tan beta. Okay. So thank you one and all, thank you. So that means first of all I shall make a plan like this. I would like to implement my strategy like this. Okay, 2 tan theta plus sec theta is equal to 2. Take 2 tan theta that side and squaring on both sides. If you squaring on both sides, you will be getting secant square theta is equal to 2 into 1 plus tan theta whole square. Again the secant square theta can be written in terms of tan theta, so 1 plus tan square theta. Then we get a quadratic equation in tan theta. So it has the solution, different solutions alpha and beta, means tan alpha tan beta becomes the roots of that quadratic equation. Then we need to find out sum of the roots. This is the plan, so we need to apply. So let us apply the plan now here. So just I would like to implement the plan. Sec theta is equal to, we can write 2 minus 2 tan theta, squaring on both sides. So you get, that means we get secant square theta is equal to 4 plus 4 tan square theta minus 8 tan theta. Again this secant square theta we need to change in terms of tan. This can be written 1 plus tan square theta equals to 4 tan square theta minus 8 tan theta plus 4. Please check the steps, correct? So thank you one and all, thank you all my regular viewers. Okay, Mr. Badhu, so if you are not interested please keep quiet, and actually here in this situation so many members are depending upon this kind of classes, so you need to give the, actually let them give the provision to follow my lessons. So try to understand. Okay. So now 4 tan square theta minus tan square theta, you get 3 tan square theta minus 8 tan theta. 4 minus 1 is 3 equals to 0. Okay. Now let us say the roots be tan alpha and tan beta, because here alpha beta are the different solutions. For this quadratic equation in terms of tan theta means tan alpha tan beta are the roots. Tan alpha plus tan beta, sum of the roots is equal to minus tan theta coefficient by tan square theta coefficient, minus of minus 8 by 3, this equal to 8 by 3. Okay, right. So 1 minute. Okay. So that means now, so absolutely correct, the fourth option. So shall I move to the next problem? Thirty-second problem. Yes, everybody correct. Yes. Strayana, yes, you are ready. Oh, Swati, Vishnu, Ramakrishna, Pasupuleti, Naresh. Wonderful. Sai Kiran, Gopasri, Sandeep, Josna. Okay, thank you. Vaishnavi. If 1 plus sine square theta equals to 3 sin theta cos theta, then the solution set in 0 comma pi by 2 is no problem Ramachandra Raju, no problem. Please add this video to playlist, sir. Definitely Murthy garu.
Okay, third point. Liquid has some specific
First option,
the first property of a fluid.
pi by 4 comma cos inverse 1 by 3. Second option, pi by 4 comma tan inverse 1 by 2. Third option, pi by 3 tan inverse 1 by 3. Fourth option, pi by 6 sin inverse 1 by 3. So, this is the question. You are following which books, sir? I already told you I don't have any book with me. Right, Lokesh, thank you. So, now 1 plus sin square theta is equal to 3 sin theta cos theta. So, generally this is one of the different models which we come across in actually while doing your board examinations. So, you might have actually tackled this problem and also solved this problem for the sake of board examinations. Whenever equation is consisting of sin square theta, cos square theta and sin theta and cos theta, it had better to divide both sides by cos square theta, so that we get the answer. The equation becomes in terms of tan, so that we can solve it. So, this is the plan we need to apply. Solution. Here we have 1 plus sin square theta equal to 3 sin theta cos theta. It is clear on the screen. So, divide both sides by cos square theta. We can write 1 plus sin square theta upon cos square theta equal to 3 sin theta cos theta by cos square theta. Okay. How we are getting x value? I did not say the x value here, theta only. Okay. Now, 1 by cos square theta is equal to secant square theta plus sin square theta by cos square theta is tan square theta. Here we have cos theta gets cancelled, 3 tan theta. So, let us change in the place of secant square theta 1 plus tan square theta. Now, we get like this. We get like this. 1 plus 2 tan square theta equals to 3 tan theta. So, 1 minus 3 2 tan square theta minus 3 tan theta plus 1 is equal to 0. So, we need to factorize it. So, this we can write 2 tan square theta. Please check my steps. Sometimes I may do the mistakes, calculation mistakes. Minus 2 tan theta minus tan theta plus 1 equals to 0. So, 2 tan theta common we have, that we get tan theta minus 1, and minus 1 common, tan theta minus 1 equal to 0. So, we have tan theta minus 1 into 2 tan theta minus 1 is equal to 0. These are the factors we will get it. Sandeep Neta, you are correct. I need to do everybody to understand why should we divide it with cos square theta. I already explained you whenever the question is like this form. So, you remember like this. See, a cos square theta plus b sin theta cos theta plus c sin square theta is equal to something, say p, like this. Whenever this kind of equation is there, you need to divide both sides by cos square theta. That's all the method. So, this is one of the models. So, now let us, here two cases will arise. Tan theta is equal to 1 and tan theta is equal to 1 by 2. So, that means actually here tan 45, because here theta is equal to pi by 4, here theta is equal to tan inverse 1 by 2. So, second option is the right option. So, 1 minute. So, 33, it is absolutely the free classes. You are free to listen, free to actually view my classes. If you are not interested, you can leave also. Thank you. Okay. So, number of solutions of the equation tan x plus secant x is equal to 2 cos x. 2 cos x in the interval in the interval 0 to 2 pi, 0 2 pi both are included, is Rakesh, I will explain once again also, don't worry. First option is 0, second option is 1, third option is 2, fourth option is 3. Now, here we are asked to find out the number of solutions of the equation tan x plus secant x is equal to 2 cos x in the stipulated interval 0 comma 2 pi. Okay. So, that means here we need not find out the solution, just only we need to find out the number of solutions, but in order to calculate the number of solutions also, first we need sometimes solutions may not be required. With the help of graph also we can do it, but this problem is graph is difficult, so we need to solve it and we need to count the number of solutions which lie in stipulated interval 0 comma 2 pi. So this strategy is need to be followed now. So let us solution now. This tan x we can write sin x by cos x, plus secant x we can write 1 by cos x equal to 2 cos x. And one more condition here we can emphasize, the cos x does not equal to 0, because if cos x is equal to 0, sin x by cos x and 1 by cos x both values have not been defined. Okay. So now here LCM is cos x, we get sin x plus 1. I am doing each and every step for your better understanding. Then cross multiply it. If you cross multiply, what do you get now here? 1 plus sin x equals to 2 cos square x. So as we have sin x, it cannot be written in terms of cos, but whereas cos square x simply we can convert into sin. So let us convert this one. So 1 plus sin x equal to 2 times 1 minus sin square x. So please observe each and every step. Right. Yes, 1 plus sin x equals to 2 minus 2 sin square x. Bring these two terms to the left hand side. We have 2 sin square x plus sin x and minus 1 is equal to 0. So let us factorize it now. Let us factorize it. So now 2 sin square x plus 2 sin x minus sin x minus 1 is equal to 0. That means this middle term is written as like this, 2 sin x minus sin x. So 2 sin x is taken common out. We have sin x minus 1. Here minus 1 common. We have sin x plus 1 this is. Here sin x plus 1 equal to 0. So we have sin x plus 1 into 2 sin x minus 1 is equal to 0. So here we get sin x plus 1 is equal to 0, sin x is equal to minus 1. Here 2 sin x minus 1 is equal to 0, sin x is equal to 1 by 2. But according to the problem, you check it. So according to the problem, the solution must belong to 0 comma 2 pi. So that means here you will be getting sine of minus pi by 2. So here x is equal to minus pi by 2 is neglected, only sin x is equal to 1 by 2. This we can write sin x is equal to sine 30 degrees, we can write pi by 6. Now what are the next solutions in between 0 to 2 pi? You need to find out 0 to 2 pi. So x is equal to pi by 6, sine is positive in second quadrant also, that is pi minus pi by 6, you can write it. So next we can write so that means pi by 6, and next 5 pi by 6. How many solutions are there here? Number of solutions is equal to 2. One more solution. pi minus 6, next is second quadrant, this is second quadrant, first quadrant and second quadrant, third quadrant is negative, only two solutions, option 3. Thirty-fifth question. 35th question. Sandeep, one answer is enough, you need not give 3333 means they may get confusion. Answer may be 3033 like that. Okay, 34. What is 34? Okay, you are very attentive. 34. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Specific mass rho is equal to mass by volume. So reciprocal means
In a
V by M.
triangle ABC, in a triangle ABC, the angle A,
Specific volume is denoted as
is greater than angle B, angle B. If the values of A and B satisfy the equation 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x minus k is equal to 0. 0 less than k, k less than 1. Then the measure of angle C. This is the question. Okay, it has become private chat room. Okay, all right. Sunita, sin x is equal to minus pi means you need to take minus pi by 2 principal value. Understood? Okay, right. Now the first option is pi by 3. Second option is pi by 2. Third option is 2 pi by 3. Fourth option is 5 pi by 6. Okay, just think about this problem. Thank you, Sunita. Thank you. Yes. During this is the actually you need to think that we are doing for the social cause as a free service. The free service means you need to join even in our mission also. So you need to contribute your services by listening and by getting more ranks, by securing more ranks in your different entrance examinations. That's our aim. Understood now? So that's why generally we encourage the serious viewers itself only. If they are not interested, you can go out, because actually we don't charge anything. So that's not a problem with us, isn't it now? Okay, so you might have understood my version. So even you can watch our YouTube channel record also. We have been actually uploading the videos since 2015. It's not a one day. Okay, you might have understood now our mission, isn't it now? Veera Venkata Srinivasarao garu, the IP result may be released shortly, because actually after lockdown, so there may be the valuation takes place, after that you will get it. Don't worry about your result. So this will be helpful to your even all the entrance examinations. Okay. So just solve it. I shall have a small break. Okay. Not Bhumika. So we have the actually that mission. We need to help the students who are really needed. So Eamcet maths also I will start definitely. The morning session will be Eamcet, and I am planning even evening session is a Eamcet. That I would like to. Any books? What should I prepare for the Eamcet? Okay. So you prepare my notes and other you watch any other YouTubes also, no problem. That will be available now. Source is available. Google is there. Google Mama. Just search it. You will be getting lot of sources there. Where there is the will, there is the way. That's all, Mr. Krishnamurthy garu. I think Lokesh books may not be available at this time, I think so. Okay. So let us go for the problem. This is related to the triangle ABC. Angle A is greater than angle B. A greater than B given. Both A and B satisfy this equation. Then in the triangle we need to find out angle C. So that is the question. Okay, now so plan like this. First, the 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x is nothing but sin 3x. This sin 3x is equal, sin 3x is equal to, here you can write, say equation 1. This equation 1 has two solutions, A, B. That means we get sin 3a equal to k and sin 3b is also k. So by virtue of this condition, sin 3a equals to sin 3b becomes, then a is equal to b. But what is given here condition? Important condition is given that here a greater than b given. In the triangle, angle A is greater than angle B. That's why, so we need to write like this, sin 3a is equal to, instead of sin 3b we can write sin of 180 degrees minus 3b right down. So now 3a equals to 180 degrees minus 3b. So now we have 3a plus 3b is equal to 180 degrees. What is a plus b? Sum of the two angles in a triangle, that will be 60. As we know the sum of the two angles in a triangle, third angle easily we can find out. In triangle ABC we have this relation, a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. Am I correct now? Now a plus b is equal to how much? 60 degrees. Therefore the measure of c is equal to 180 minus 60, whose value is 120. 120 we can write in radians 2 pi by 3. So that means third option, option 3. Prasanna, check it once again, check it. Yes. Krishnamurthy garu, have you subscribed or not? First of all tell me. Tota Krishnamurthy garu. Okay. Now is it clear to you all? Ramachandra Raj Garu, it will be updated CP publications. What is CP publications? What is CP publications?
Okay. So what today we have seen about what is fluid. Today we have seen about what is fluid. చెప్పండి. Okay.
So 35. Let us move to the 35 question now. 35.
Fluids, difference between liquids and gases, fluid dynamics,
The equation
fluid statics, ఇంకా
root 3 sin x
Ahmad, how are you?
plus cos x equal to
Very good. How is your health now?
4 has
Very good. Take care.
equal to 4 has
Okay.
only one solution.
మీ నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ ఎప్పుడు మళ్ళీ? సో when you going to have your next class?
Second,
సాటర్డే అనుకుంటా.
2 solutions.
ఒక వైట్ పేపర్ తీసుకొని ఫ్లూయిడ్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ అన్ని రాసి ఈరోజు ఎక్కడైతే చెప్పానో అందులో రాసి నాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయండి.
Third one,
గ్రూప్లో పెట్టండి.
Vishnu, weight you will be getting. Okay, Eamcet 8 to 9. Okay, I will make it. So how many members will attend my class for Eamcet? You chart in the group now. Yes or no? Say. 2 solutions.
క్లాసెస్లో ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్. టిఫిన్ చేశారా?
Infinitely
టిఫిన్ చేశారా అండి?
many solutions.
టిఫిన్ చేశారు కదా?
Many solutions.
సో నేను చెప్పేది వినండి.
Fourth one,
ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్లూయిడ్స్ అనే ఒక పేపర్లో రాసి
no solution.
ఫోటో తీసి పంపండి. ఓకే.
This is very, very important. The nature of the solutions we need to explain. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So you better you chart in the WhatsApp group separately, no problem. So I will list out how many Eamcet students are there.
పర్లేదా? ఓకే.
Okay, let us come to this problem. How many solutions does this equation possess? So that we need to concentrate. That means I will give the clue. See, a cos x plus b sin x equal to c. First one, case 1. If mod c is less than or equal to root of a square plus b square, it has solutions. It has solution. Case 2, if mod c is greater than or equal to root of a square plus b square, no solution. No solution. So let us check it now. So that means actually here we have a equals to 1, here b equals to root 3 and c equals to 4. First root of a square plus b square. This is 1 plus 3. Root 4 is 2. Okay. So mod c is equal to 4. Here mod c is greater than or equal to root of a square plus b square. Greater than. Sorry, wait. I did wrong. Here only greater. So now no solution. Fourth option. Okay.
నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ సాటర్డే రోజు ఇదే టైంకి ఉంటుంది. సో మ్యాక్సిమం అందరూ అటెండ్ అవ్వండి. ఓకే. అటెండెన్స్ తీసుకుంటున్నాను.
36th question.
మీ అందరు మీ అటెండెన్స్ నాకు వాళ్ళు మెసేజ్ పెట్టండి.
The solution of the solution of sin x minus 2 whole square plus cos x minus 3 by 2 whole square equal to 0 is first option x is equal to pi by 2, second option x is equal to pi, third option x is equal to pi by 4, fourth option no solution. This is the question. Yes, please don't type as 44, fourth option only. Okay. Okay, let us think. So now option 4. Oh, great. Let us see. The solution of sin x minus 2 whole square plus cos x minus 3 by 2 whole square is 0. So we have one concept in algebra. For example, see the sum of the squares of sum of the two perfect squares is equal to 0 means each square must be 0. It must be 0 and it must be 0. So that means simultaneous equations we will get it. Sin x minus 2 is equal to 0 and cos x minus 3 by 2 must be 0. Then only we get the 0. So that means sin x is equal to 2 and cos x is equal to minus 3 by 2. See the domain of the sin x and cos x. Sin x lies in between minus 1 and 1 only. Cos x also lies in between minus 1 and 1 only. So the sin x is equal to cannot be possible. It is ignored. It is not possible. Ignored. Therefore, no solution. So fourth option. Okay. This will be 3 by 2. This will be 3 by 2. Sorry. Even 3 by 2 means that is equal to 1.5. The cos x cannot be equal to 1.5. Understood now? So that's why it has no solution. Thirty-seventh question. 37th question. When what happens, c is equal to root of a square plus b square, it has the solution, no problem. You will get tan x value, you need to solve, that's all. The set of values of a the set of values of a for which the equation sin x to the power of 4 plus cos x to the power of 4 equal to a has a solution. That means it has a solution. The equation possesses a solution. Okay. first option minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2, second option 1 by 4 comma 1, third option is 1 by 2 comma 1, fourth option is 1 by 4 comma 1 by 2. Okay, you fill up okay, right. So Bhumika Reddy garu, this actually we need to solve. We don't have the shortcut for this one. I explained the previous question, the shortcut only, that's a hint only. So now tell me this problem, how could you solve this shortcut now here in this problem? All these problems are based on the concepts only. Once again I am giving more emphasis on the concepts. Please go through the previous year question papers. As for the previous experience of the question papers, last year question papers, so better you need to concentrate on the concept. If you know the concept, any problem you can solve and you will get good rank in the examination. So that is the secret of success now. So thank you. I hope you might have understood. If you have the shortcut, you can share. Definitely I will share to others also. Okay. So now this can be written like this now. A equals to, we can write 1 minus 2 sine square x cos square x. Am I correct now? Because a power 4 plus b power 4 is equal to a square plus b square whole square minus 2a square b square. So in this formula, put a is equal to here a square means actually here sine square x whole square plus cos square x whole square, 1 square 1 minus 2 sine square x cos square x. With the help of this I got it now. Okay. So next now this can be written for our convenience, 1 minus, this is 1 by 4, this I will write 4 sine square x 1 by 2, sorry 1 by 2, 4 sine square x cos square x I will write. Can I write like this now? Any doubt? Thank you. Next 1 minus 2, this can be written 2 sine x cos x whole square. So the 2 sine a cos a is equal to sine 2a. So this equals to 1 minus 1 by 2, we can write sine square 2x. Now the sine square 2x minimum maximum value write down. Minimum and maximum value write down. So what is the minimum value of sine square 2x? Minimum is 0, already in periodicity we have discussed. Maximum is 1. So you get like this now, a belongs to, you get like this, 1 minus okay, wait, 2 sine square x cos square x, okay, 2 sine x sine square 2x, okay, right.
So give your attendance, guys.
Okay, we will do another method now. This will be sine square 2x. Okay. Now let us write like this now. So we know that 0 less than or equal to sine square 2x less than or equal to 1. So multiply with minus half. This will be 0 greater than or equal to minus half sine square 2x greater than or equal to minus 1 by 2. Add 1 if you add 1 1 greater than or equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 sine square 2x. So, this is half, this will be a. So, that means half less than or equal to a less than or equal to 1. Therefore, a belongs to half comma 1. So, this is the answer. So, that means third option is the right option, option 3. Okay. Okay. Even you can adopt this method also. Sine square 2x minimum value is 0, maximum value is equal to 1. Substituting now a values here, 1 minus 0 comma 1 minus half. So, you will be getting 1 comma half. So, now interval you need to write, a belongs to 1 by 2 comma 1. So, this also we will get it. This easy method also we can do. Evening share, we will share the group. So, 38th question. See, in the previous problem, sin x to the power of 4 plus cos x to the power of 4 range we need to find out. Sin x to the power of 4 plus cos x to the power of 4 is 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. That I have written 1 minus half into sin square 2x. The minimum value of sin square 2x is 0, maximum value sin square 2x is 1. Substituting you get 1 and half. So, that means half comma 1 is the interval. Okay. Now, 38th question. The number of values of x satisfying the equation 2 sin square x plus 4 cos square x equal to 3. In the interval 0 comma 2 pi, in the interval 0 comma 2 pi. Now, it is clear, voice, it is clear. Okay. First option is 1, second option hello, clear? I think it is clear now. Okay, thank you. second option 2, third option is 3, third option is 3, fourth option is 4. Okay. A number of values of x satisfying the equation 2 sin square x plus 4 cos square x is equal to 3 in the interval 0 comma 2 pi. Okay. Now we need to find out solutions, 4 solutions. Okay, let us see now how did you get it. So that means now in this problem we can change sin square x in terms of cos square x, or cos square x in terms of sin square x we can change. So that means better let us change this cos square x in terms of sine. Now the solution follows. We have 2 sin square x plus 4 into 1 minus sin square x equal to 3. The 2 sin square x plus 4 minus 4 sin square x equal to 3. This step is correct. So now 4 minus 3 is equal to 2 sin square x. So this equals to 1. Sin square x equals to 1 by 2. So now we get sin x is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. We get two solutions. Sin x equals to minus 1 by root 2 and sin x equals to plus 1 by root 2. So here x must belongs to closed 0 to 2 pi. So that means sin x is negative in the third and fourth quadrant, sin x is positive in the actually first and second quadrant. That means x values will be like this now, x values. So that means 45 degrees first quadrant, this is in the second quadrant is pi minus pi by 4. So in the third quadrant is pi plus pi by 4, because here we have sin x negative also. In the fourth quadrant also it negative. So that means 2 pi minus pi by 4. So that means we have number of solutions is 4. So fourth option, option 4. So 4 solutions we can write.
National award goes to Sai and national award goes to Mr. Sai, best brand designer Sai and
39. The number of solutions of the equation sin x is equal to x is first option 3, second option 1, third option 0, fourth option 2. Now tell me what sort of shortcut do you apply here? It's clear now? Okay, thank you. Okay, right now, so in order to find out a trigonometric equation, a trigonometric function and algebraic function is there, we need to draw the graph. That means y is equal to x graph we need to draw and y is equal to sin x graph. The intersection of these two, the solutions we shall get it now. say take like this, okay, this is the origin, this is y is equal to x line passes through the origin, am I correct now? This is y is equal to x. Now let us draw the sine graph now. So this will be maximum 1, okay, sine 0 0, start from here, sine pi by 2, this will be pi by 2, say this is pi, sine pi by 2 is 1, like this, sine pi, this is 1 arch, you will get it now. Okay, next this is, we have, this will be minus 1, so minus pi by 2 this will be, and this will be minus pi. Here you get like this. Now see how many intersection points are there here. So this 1, 2, 3. So that means number of solutions is 3. So first option is the right option. Okay. Thank you one and all. Bye bye. See you. Stay at home. Stay safe. Thank you one and all.